Miss Amy, Aaron Maurer here to discuss for BPT 112 the merits or lack thereof of Chapter 2 of our book, Copywriting. And Chapter 2 is essentially, I'm doing my best not to look down here. I'm not looking at myself. It's too self-aggrandizing. But anyway, I got my book right here, got my notes right here, and just looking down here, just so we know. Damn it, I looked down there. Okay, but anyway, Chapter 2 is about the fundamentals of communication, the basic breakdown of the process, and it's an over dissection of the process. If you ask me, I mean, technically you asked me to make a video journal, so you are asking me, and that's what I'm saying. But I think it's probably valuable in some ways. It doesn't even matter what my opinion is because I'm not a copywriter, so you know I'm probably wrong anyway. But it seems like it's definitely most valuable when it comes to the receiving end. Like it seems like that's what you want to dissect the most and really think about, like where your stuff's going, because that's the only reason that you're communicating in the first place. Other than that, I took from the chapter. I thought it was really interesting that right here I wrote, it said the most successful people are covertly committed to prior to overtly communicating it. I thought that was really good phrasing, because you're gonna subconsciously not sabotage, but like almost in a sense like sabotage something. Like that's how it is like with learning. Like if you're not really committed to something, then like you're not really gonna learn it like in a classroom setting, you know what I mean? So I kind of could understand what they were talking about with regard to messages as well. So I kind of appreciated that part. And let me see, what else do I got here? It's very comprehensive, like I said, in the full dissection of the message communication process. I also liked another phrasing I put here. It says you need to focus on talking to people, not filling space. Those are the people at the unemployment lines. That's a very good point to make. That's additional emphasis put on being committed to what you are communicating, and I can appreciate that. That's pretty cool. I'm committed to this video journal right now. Can you tell? Can you tell? Can you tell? Can you say? Yeah. Anyway, that's about it, man. I'll see you in class tomorrow. Take care, Miss Amy.